You know the old saying, no pain, no gain? We thought that change and real transformation has to be this constant battle, this forceful push against who we used to be and who we want to be, against what we don't like in our lives and what we want to achieve. But what if that very belief, that it has to be a struggle, is the exact thing holding us back? What if the fight itself is the problem? And so to understand this idea of effortless change, we have to start in a place that might surprise you. Not with our thoughts, but with our bodies. Because as you're about to see, real healing and change often starts where words just can't reach. And that leads us right into the world of what we call somatic or body-based interventions. And the big idea here is that our experiences, the good ones, and especially the tough ones, aren't just stories filed away in our brains. No, they're physically stored in our nervous system, in our muscles, even in the way we hold ourselves, our body positions, the gaze of our eyes. Research shows that specific emotional states and body positions go hand in hand. And so the pioneering researcher, Bessel van der Kolk, puts it perfectly when he says our history leaves a physical imprint. And this is why just talking about a problem over and over sometimes doesn't fix it. You can't just talk your nervous system out of a pattern that it's physically holding on to. It's why you can't talk yourself out of the knot in your stomach when you're nervous or the headache when you're stressed.